In this time of uncertainty, we hear a lot about protecting ourselves against the dreaded COVID 19. Among the precautions we take in our day to day life, using face mask is a critical preventive measure to stop the spread of corona. What do face masks do in a pandemic? Let's have an insight on Impulse and Insight. Be sure to subscribe and watch till the very end. COVID-19 virus spreads mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. It can also spread when we use contaminated hands to touch our eyes, nose, or mouth, resulting in infection. To reduce the spread of COVID-19, health organizations like WHO and CDC recommend using face masks. Face masks act as a barrier which protect us from infection and also prevent infected people from spreading the virus to others. In other words, masks protect each other. Effectiveness of masks in preventing infections are backed by evidence. In a study published by Health Affairs, the growth curve of COVID-19 in 15 states of US were reduced by 2% after masks were made mandatory. Another study showed that deaths due to coronavirus in mask-favoring countries were lower. An experiment using high-speed video found that hundreds of droplets were generated when saying a few words. But nearly all these droplets were blocked when the mouth was covered with a cloth. These studies show that masks are a good option to stop the spread. Not all masks are equal. It is distinguished into three main types. Filtering face piece or FFP, also called N95 mask. These masks fit tightly, forming a seal around nose, mouth and chin, and filter out 95% of airborne particles, just as the name suggests. It is the most effective type and lets no virus in or out. However, some N95 masks have a one-way valve to make breathing easier. But this does not prevent the spread of virus, as unfiltered air pass and protect only the wearer. FFP masks are in short supply worldwide, hence it is reserved for medical personnel. Surgical mask. These are loose-fitting disposable masks which block large droplets when the wearer coughs or sneezes. But on inhalation, air also flows from the sides. That is, it protects others from infection rather than the wearer. Surgical masks should be used for no longer than 8 hours, after which it is disposed in a paper bag and discarded in trash. While surgical and N95 masks may be in short supply and reserved for healthcare providers, cloth masks are easy to find, make, and can be washed and reused. It is a recommended mask for general public as it reduces the spread of corona when used widely. However, it has a poor seal and blocks only 1/3 of the droplets when compared to a surgical mask. Avoid thinner masks and always choose thicker ones which have better filtration rate. No matter which mask you use, it can only be effective if used with hygienic measures like washing hands and social distancing. When using a mask, there are some important rules you must know to achieve the benefit. Here are the steps to follow the right way to wear a mask. Before touching a mask or wearing it, clean your hands by washing with soap and water or an alcohol-based sanitizer. Check your mask for any damage. Make sure to wear your mask right. The outside is dark while the inside is usually light colored, and Surgical masks have a metal strip on the inside. Once that is figured, wear the mask with the help of strips or band. Fit it properly to cover nose, mouth and chin. Make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. Do not touch the front of your mask and never pull the mask up and down while wearing it. If you do touch it by accident, wash your hands. To remove the mask, pull the elastic strips or bands from behind the ears. Never reuse or share disposable masks. Discarding used masks on roads and streets are unethical. If it is a disposable mask, discard it in a proper way. If cloth masks are used, wash it with soap and warm water after every use and dry it thoroughly. Wash your hands immediately after removing mask. Mask must be avoided for certain groups, like children under 2 years of age, someone who is unconscious, and people who have trouble breathing like asthmatics. In short, wearing a face mask may keep us from infections. However, mask is not a magic weapon and are effective only when social distancing and hygienic measures are in place. May God keep you safe.